What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. We got the vet in the background, but man, this thing is dirty as heck. We might just clean that up later, but today isn't really about the Corvette at all, man. We're about to go pick up the Copart Harley, the 2013 Electric Glide from BBV, because that thing is complete. It is done. So let's go pick it up, clean that thing up, man, and go over the little details and make that thing shine, dog. So hang with your boy and let's go slide. This thing is like so dirty, dog. It's been dumb windy out here and everything. Like, look at the dust just caked up on it. I don't drive it much. I would take the truck right now, but that thing is huge and I want to find somewhere easy to park down there so I can just leave it and then go on about my day. But let's hop in this thing and get to it. Feel me? Man, I love riding in this thing sometimes, dog. Woo. It's a big difference from that truck. I ain't gonna front. This will make me want a new truck because of the steering wheel. Like, look at this steering wheel and then think back to like the truck steering wheel. It just don't work out, man. But, you know, it is what it is. Got our helmet. Car is filthy, dog. Like, filthy. Got auction papers, everything. This thing is whooped. Gotta clean this thing up today. But without further ado, guys, we are at BBV. Let's go pick up this bike. The rotors didn't come in yet, but he said he heated them up and bended them back, you know, just enough to be safe. He said it's not a problem. Up there it is, right out front for us. There it is. So let's park this bad boy and check that thing out. Alrighty, guys, let's check it out, man. That blue, that midnight blue looks so good. Like, if I hold on to this bike for a little while, I'm definitely putting a wheel on there. And speaking of wheel, we wasn't able to get that CVO wheel on there because, as you guys see, it's literally like the screws are in totally different spots on this rotor. But we did get some chrome, or polish rather, forks. So we'll go home, clean this thing all up, and hit it with that, you know, 000 grit, that metal stuff or whatever. But other than that, this thing is looking really good. Got everything back on here and ready to go. We really just need a fender. I thought I found one online, but it was the wrong year, so I'm gonna just wait for that. But I'm gonna try to find one online probably today or something, because I need this thing all tidied up. But everything else looks good and everything. So let's go knock this bill out and freaking head to the crib, man. Alrighty, guys, this will be our first real ride. So hopefully no bags fall or nothing like that. First startup. It's pretty quiet compared to the CVO. Pretty quiet, but we do got them day makers on that joint, dog. Look at them headlights on that boy. These headlights look so much better than the ones on my CVO. But man, I like how this thing actually look. I know with a fender it'll bring it all together, but so far so good, man. I actually don't have a phone holder for this one, but I got my GoPro, man, so y'all gonna follow me and go where I go. But just stay tuned with your boy and let's get rocking, man. Now this bike, you know, it's stock bars and everything. I've been used to the CVO bars. It just shows me how much of a difference these bars are. Now we got different, like a stock seat on this one, so it makes me feel like really tall and really big on this bike. It makes this bike feel a lot like smaller than it actually is, which is cool. You got more control over it. It's got a little bit of power to it. We got heated grips, so our hands are pretty warm. Pretty cool little bike. First gear, this thing is burning rubber. I'm digging this one, man. What y'all think about it so far? Let me know in the comments below. We got the little lowers down there, so that's a plus. I'm digging it though so far. It's I'm doing this all with one hand, man. That's how you know how controllable it is. But let's get to it. Alrighty, guys, we have made it back home. This thing is riding really good. Goes through all the gears really great. Only thing I can say is that you can definitely tell at like higher speeds that this tire isn't the best. But other than that, this thing is really clean, man. It's dust and stuff on it still, but gotta give it one final clean with that 1000 grit, or I believe it's 000, whatever it is, the steel grade rather. Get all this rust and stuff out the pipes, because I believe I can get that clean. So we'll see how it goes, man. But let's pull these bags off, pull it in, and get this thing shined up once and for all. In the meantime, we can order a fender, but then again, I don't know if I want to go just wait. If I don't sell it like right away, I'll probably just wait and get a 21 or something for it. At least that's what I'm thinking, but I might just keep it going. So we'll see. I might just get a regular stock fender for it, which I think I should do. What y'all think, man? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty guys, now that we got this thing back, it is in the garage, mating with the red black, but we got to get this chrome. You guys see this chrome, man? You see all them water spots and everything? We got to get this thing just as clean as this chrome here. And the trick to that is, I should have it right in here. Should have it right in here. Well, how great is that? So what I'm looking for is in the Corvette, unfortunately, but we're just gonna have to get this thing cleaned up for what we can do right now, and then we'll do the chrome, I guess, when we come back. But yeah, we'll clean it up a little bit right now. Take the bags off. We gotta get these little parts, these little things right here installed. That one's kind of bent, but this one is A1, so we'll install those back on it and get this thing all tidied up, put it up on the jack stand, and get that back wheel cleaned, and get this thing ready to go, man. Bye, girl. See you later. Bye-bye. Alrighty, guys, we have just made it back to the vet. Let's hop in this joint and freaking we got to get some zip ties for those antennas because of that tour pack. But other than that, we should be pretty much good to go. So let's roll, dog. And I think I want to take the top off because it's like not that hot out here today, and I never take these things off. So operation top off, engage. And that's how we do that. Pretty much got everything we working with. We gotta just head to the house and clean this thing up, man, because I need this thing shining. We don't have a front fender, so that's gonna be easy to freaking detail the heck out that wheel and get that thing shined up, as well as those forks and stuff. I want to take it to the car wash and just pressure wash all the existing dirt that's on there, but I'm sure we'll just figure it out and get it done. Ooh. And get it done without having to do all that. So we'll see what's up, man. Yes, sir. It's nothing like the top down, a good in and out shake, and a good in and out burger, man. If y'all stay on the East Coast, y'all probably don't recognize this, but if you stay on the West Coast, you already know how it go down, man. We have made it back to the house, picked up the vet. We got the steel wool here. Now, I use this best with like a can of Coke, like soda. It works best with like some Coke soda, but forgot to stop and get some, so I got my bucket of warm water right here and soap. We're just gonna hit this chrome up and hit these wheels up and make everything shine again, man. So hang with your boy and let's get it done. Alrighty, man, that back wheel is a little bit complex with all those little in-betweens, but this thing was like freaking dirty as heck. We got this thing shined up again, giving it that, you know, chrome effect, making it look good. So that's a plus. It's coming together, man, slowly but surely. Slowly but surely, dog. Alrighty, guys, we have got this back wheel pretty much cleaned up. It's definitely shining again, that's for sure. So that's a plus. It looked like they probably didn't clean this wheel like probably since they bought the bike. But it's definitely looking good now on both sides, so that's a plus. That thing is shining a little bit. So we'll get the rest of the chrome and knock the bike out, pull it into the sun and see what we did. Alrighty, guys, my battery died on the phone, but man, take a look at this thing. This is looking real good. Got the forks all shined up and stuff. Everything, all the lights and stuff look good. No fender, of course, but other than that, just looks really good. Sun's kind of blocking it this way. Let's check it out from this angle. Wow, that thing is shining up. Definitely looks really, really good. And look at that back wheel back there. Thing is all chromed up, shining to a T. We got those little silver chrome pieces back on. Got the bags and everything back on. This thing looks sexy now, boy. Cleaned up and everything ready to go. We about to go to the desert real quick, get some quick for sale pics, and I'll catch you guys out there. Alrighty, guys, we just pretty much made it out here to the middle of the desert. Unfortunately, the sun has pretty much went down, but we got some pretty decent pictures, to say the least. We take a look up close. We got all that chrome clean and everything. This thing is looking like a brand new bike, looking really good. Everything in the engine bay and everything is cleaned up, shining really, really chrome. Bags and everything look good. The pipes, I know you guys remember it was a bunch of black stuff right here. We got that clean, so it's chrome pipes all around now. Looks really good. We got those little chrome pieces attached, so that looks better now. Everything on this bike actually is coming together now, man. I'm actually digging it. Really good looking bike, man. What do you guys think about it? Cleaned up really good. All we could use now is just a fender. But other than that, it's dope, man. I like it. What you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Man, just pulled back up to the house, and man, this freaking thing is looking beastie. I'm digging it. I am digging it, man. This thing cleaned up, dog. That's crazy. So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We got the blue bike back. We got the fork switched out. We got the thing cleaned up, man. Now it's time to freaking find a fender and get rid of that joint, man. So without further ado, I'm about to head to the auction, man. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Let me know what you thought about the video in the comments below. Peace.